In today's episode, I'm going to cover a very interesting topic. Did you know that there are Portuguese verbs that, depending on the verb tense, the meaning can change when translated to English? This difference happens mostly when we conjugate verbs in the pretérito perfeito simples and imperfeito. These tricky verbs can be very problematic for students. Today, I will walk you through the verb SABER to guarantee you understand it and know how to use it correctly. If you enjoy my content or you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to also follow my content on Facebook and Instagram. E agora, vamos começar! Are you sure you know the verb saber well? This verb usually translates as can, be able to know something or how to do something, and even to taste. But let's take a look at this verb in the pretérito perfeito simples with examples. Eu soube da notícia ontem. How would you translate it? In this case, the verb can have another meaning: to hear, to learn, to find out. I heard the news yesterday. Vamos ver outro exemplo. Soubeste que vai haver vacinas para todos? Did you hear there will be vaccines for all of us? It is important to be aware that the verb saber in the PPS has one extra meaning from what you would expect. It can still mean knew or was able to, but in the PPS you will need to also consider to hear, to learn, to find out. Vamos ver outro exemplo. Eu já soube fazer essa receita. I once knew how to make that recipe. In this case, the verb in the past means knew. I just suggest you be on the watch for sentences with saber in the PPS. We definitely use it a lot with the meaning of found out. Now let's look at the verb in the imperfeito. In this case, the verb usually means knew. Eu sabia que aquilo ia acontecer. Mais outro exemplo. A Teresa sabia falar chinês quando era pequena. If you want to learn other ways to express you found out about something, instead of using the PPS of the verb saber, you can use the verb descobrir, to discover, in the PPS. Descobri que a Maria está desempregada. Descobrimos que não há dinheiro na conta. Another way to express you heard, learned, or found out about something is fiquei a saber que. Let's look at some examples. Fiquei a saber que a Ana partiu a perna. Quando é que ficaste a saber do acidente? So remember that if you want to emphasize that you found out about something, you can use these three options interchangeably. Saber in the PPS, descobrir in the PPS, ficar a saber with the verb ficar in the PPS. If, for example, you want to say, I found out John is sick, you can say, soube que o João está doente. Descobri que o João está doente. Fiquei a saber que o João está doente. If you want to learn more about the verb saber and the top 6 most used verbs in Portuguese, click on the link of the video. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment. I love to hear from you guys. Até a próxima!